In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice call on WhatsApp web. Quick heads up before we begin. Even though we're talking about the web experience, WhatsApp currently handles calling through the WhatsApp desktop app. That's the only place voice calls are available, so we'll start there. Go ahead and launch the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is stable so your audio stays clear. Head to the chat list and open the individual conversation with the person you want to call. You'll see their messages on the right, and at the top of that window, a row of icons. Look to the top right and click the small drop-down on the camera icon. That opens your calling options. Select Voice to place a standard audio call. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, grant permission so the app can use your mic. Without this, the other person won't hear you. If the prompt doesn't show and you still can't be heard, you may need to confirm permissions in your device's settings later, but for now, just accept any prompt you see. Once the call connects, you can toggle your microphone and your camera on or off at any time. Even on a voice call, the camera toggle is available in case you want to switch to video later. A quick tip: use headphones to reduce echo, and mute yourself when you're not speaking to cut down on background noise. You can react with selected emojis during the call to share quick feedback without interrupting. There's also a raise hand icon. Click it to politely get the other person's attention, which is especially helpful when you don't want to talk over them. If you need to present something, click Start Screen Sharing and then Continue. You'll be asked whether you want to share your system audio. Turn this on if you plan to play videos or sounds that the other person should hear. Leave it off for silent walkthroughs. Next, choose the specific screen or window you want to share and click OK to begin. Take a second to confirm you're only sharing what you intend, since notifications and other open items might appear. At any point, you can switch to text by clicking Chat and keep the conversation going there, which is great for sending links or notes while you talk. When you're done, click the red phone icon to hang up and end the call cleanly. And that's it. Your WhatsApp voice call is complete.